I'm going to dive deep into my own channel analytics and figure out why I'm losing subscribers. Let's see if I can turn this around. Have you ever felt like your YouTube channel is dying? You are putting in the effort, creating content, and promoting your channel, but for some reasons, your subscriber count just keeps going down. It is frustrating, demotivating, and can make you wonder if it's all worth it. But today, we are going to explore the reasons why this might be happening to your channel. One of the most common reasons channel experience a decline in subscribers is the quality of their content. Let's face it, if your content is not engaging, informative, or entertaining, viewers are going to lose interest fast. And with the algorithm prioritizing high quality content, if yours doesn't cut it, you are going to get left behind. Another reason is the frequency of your uploads. If you are not consistent with your uploads, your audience is going to forget about you. Simple. And when you finally do upload, they might not even care anymore. Additionally, if your content is too similar or repetitive, viewers are going to be bored. They want to see something new, something fresh, something that is going to keep them engaged. And let's not forget about audience engagement. If you're not interacting with your viewers, responding to their comments, or asking for their feedback, they are going to feel like you don't care about them. You are not your interest is not at your hand. And if they feel like you don't care, why should they care about your channel? Why should they care to watch your videos? This is what you need to ask yourself. So let's dive in a little deeper in each of these reasons. When it comes to content quality, it is not just about the production value or the equipment you use. It is about the value you are providing to your viewers. You are teaching them something new. Are you making them laugh? Are you inspiring them? If not, it is time to rethink your content strategy. And when it comes to frequency, it is not just about uploading every day or every week. It is about finding a schedule that works for you and your audience. For example, if you are a beauty YouTuber, you might want to upload every week because your audience is looking for the latest trend and products. But if you are a tech reviewer, you might be able to get away with uploading once a month because your audience is looking for in-depth review. And when it comes to audience engagement, it is not just about responding to comments. It is about asking for feedback, asking for suggestions, and actually taking that feedback into consideration. One of the most important things I have learned is the importance of adapting to audience feedback and trend. Yes, you can't just create content in a vacuum and expect it to resonate with your audience. No, you need to be aware of what is working and what is not working and be willing to make changes. For example, if you notice that your audience is responding well to a certain type of content you are making, it is time to create more of that. And if you notice that they are not responding well to something, it is time to rethink your content strategy. This is important because the YouTube algorithm is always changing, and what works last year might not work this year. That is what you need to put into consideration. But if you are willing to adapt to it, if you are willing to listen to your audience, you can stay ahead of the game. And that is what it takes to be successful on YouTube. Simple. It is not just about creating great content. It is about creating content that resonates with your audience. Are you hearing me? So to summarize the whole of this thing, if your channel is experiencing a decline in subscribers, it is time to take a step back and evaluate your content quality, frequency, and audience engagement. It is time to adapt to your audience feedback and trends and be willing to make changes. And most importantly, it is time to remember why you started creating content in the first place. What do you guys think? Have you ever experienced a decline in subscribers? Let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out on our other videos for more tips and tricks on how you are going to grow your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching to the very end of this video. Make sure you like it, comment, and also subscribe. See you on our next upload.